Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tobina. I'm a DeFi enthusiast and I teach people about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and how to do a lot of things on this space. So today in my channel we are going to look into spot trading, and we are going to trade a pair. We are going to buy TRX, that is the native currency for the TRON blockchain, using USDT on the spot market. So basically I'll be showing you how to operate the spot market using the basically the four types of orders: the market order, the limit order, the stop limit order, and the one completes the other type of order, that is the one we know as the OCO. So we're going to move into that ahead immediately. So this is actually the Binance interface, the Binance app on the mobile app for Android. This is the Binance interface. This is actually how it looks like, and then you can see my home below my screen. You can see the home, markets, the trades, features, and wallets. So we are going to just move into the trade section here. Just click on trades. Look below the screen, click on trades. Here we are. You can see I've deposited some dollars into my spot wallet, and that is actually I've deposited approximately $11.8 on my spot account. So actually now we are going to buy some TRX. First we start using the market order, so I'll change it to the market order. So what actually is this market order? This market order completes a trade for you using the best price. Actually, we all know the cryptocurrency market is very volatile. It is very volatile. So using this market order, we just place an order, and then the cryptocurrency, the exchange, fulfills it at the best price, no matter the volatility that is present at that point. You understand? So actually I have $11.76, and probably I want to spend all in buying TRX. What am I going to do? I'm going to just click on 100%, and this I can see I see my $11.76620 there. Once I click on buy TRX, the order completes immediately. You get the same way. If I choose to buy with only 25% of my $11.766, that would be just $2.9. that is $2.90, so actually I'm going to buy with 100%. Why? Because on the Binance spot you can't buy with an amount below 10 USDT. So we are actually going to do this now. I will place you can look at the price now. I'll just click on buy TRX, and the order completes immediately. When I click on the sell, okay, let me click on the sell part. I will see that I already have 187.81 TRX already in my account. So we are going to sell it again using the same market order, and then I click on 100%. I am selling all my TRX back for what I bought it for. So the price has gone back to, we bought it for $0.06257. So I'm just gonna wait, and then I click on sell, and that's it. I've sold my TRX immediately, and I have my $11.74381. Actually I've short a little cents from my dollars due to trading charges, which are actually minimal, and probably due to price volatility. But actually I think in this case, why my balance reduced a little bit is because of the trading charges. They are very minimal. They're just a few 10 cents and the rest. So actually we are going to move over to the next type of order placement, which is the limit order. I just have to click here. You can see here, I click here where you see the limit, click there, click on limit and change it to limit. Okay, you're already in limit. So what is this limit order? Actually this limit order places or executes an order to the price which you have set to buy or sell the particular asset. For example, I choose to buy TRX for I choose to buy it. Okay, TRX will be the price is actually moving 0.06256. Let me say I choose to buy it for 0.0256. I choose to buy it for 0.0. Sorry, I choose to buy it for 0.0255. All right, and I choose to spend all my dollars. That's it. So I just click on buy. Then the order is here. I have to wait for the order to be filled up. Once the price touches 0.06255, my order will execute. So let's wait. Let's watch it. The price is moving too fast. And while we wait, once this market price drops to 0.06255, my order completes immediately. I don't have to you just have to place the order and then take your eyes off your exchange for a little bit, and then the order completes itself immediately. So due to cryptocurrency price volatility, we won't waste our time trying to complete this trade, so I'll just cancel it and show you the same way how to sell. So that's the same thing you apply when you want to sell it. You just have to input the amount you want to sell 100% of your TRX tokens, input 100% and set the price you wish to sell it at. Take note that if the price doesn't drop down to my desired price when I want to buy, the order will not complete and my dollars in my account won't be spent. The same way, if I want to sell and I set the price to a higher price, maybe 0.06271, I set to 0.6271 to sell. If the price goes 0.06270, this order will not complete. Why? Because I set a limit order at exactly 0.06271. So actually the order won't be executed, and that's it. Your order has to wait until the market actually comes to that price, and then it completes the order. Understand? So you're going to move over to the next type of order placement, which is a stop limit order. So right, this is a kind of conditional statement order. Is a kind of if this then do this, if not this then don't do it. Okay, sorry, it's actually if this do that, if this do that. Just the one way if statement, if this do that. So I want to buy I want to spend 100% of my USDT account. I want to buy let me say I want to buy 136 TRON with 100% of my okay. Let's start with the prices. I want to buy TRON. I want to spend 100% of my account. So I look at the current market price of TRON, 0.6262. I want to buy it at a lower price so I can make actually make big profits from my trade, just the buying and selling. I will place first of all this top USDT you are seeing here. This top USDT you are seeing here. This one actually you are seeing here. This top USDT you are seeing here is actually what do we call it? Is the if statement. Actually, it's actually the if statement. So this top USDT serves as the if statement. So what does it actually mean? If I'll set if the price of TRX drops to 0.06255, that I should purchase the TRX for exactly 0.062. I can actually place it 55, or actually I can just place 0.06257. I will buy 136 TRX for it. Okay, let me make it 140 TRX. Still a little. I want to make it 150, 170. All right. Let me make it 180, and we're good. So actually, this means if the price of TRX drops to $0.06255. The exchange, Binance Exchange, Spot Exchange, will place a buy order for me, will buy TRX for me at 0.06257. How is this different from the limit order? In the sense that since it's a conditional order, there's the likeliness that your order will be executed even if the price doesn't touch exactly the 0.06257. You understand? Because if in the limit order, if you set it at 0.06255 and the price drops, set it at 0.06257 and the price drops just immediately, quick drop to 0.06255, but your order won't be completed at all. So you have to this stop limit is a kind of if it's a conditional order, in the sense that you have already placed it. If the price drops to 0.06255, the exchange should sell it for you. Buy the TRX for you at $0.06257. So once this price drops to this, and I click on buy TRX, the order stays there. And once the price of TRX retraces to this price, 0.06255, my order will be completed immediately, and I have my 180 pieces of TRX in my spot account. The same thing happens to sell. For example, I already have my 180 TRX I bought for 0.6255, and I want to sell it at this price. I'll say if the price rises to 0.06261, I can keep the prices the same. If this price goes up to 0.06261, I would sell my TRX for exactly $0.0621. Actually, I have bought low and sold high, therefore I have made profits. So that's the same thing that applies to the buy and sell and the buy and sell on the stop limit type of order. So I hope you grab this point. So we are going to move over to the next one, which is actually the one completes the order, the OCO order, and this is it. This is a two-way if statement. It's quite complex, but it's very, very simple. There's nothing too difficult about it. So the OCO order, here it goes. First of all, okay, this order is very, 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 very what do I call it? It's very, very, very important, vital, especially when you want to sell, and especially for people who are kind of tech savvy, tech analysts. They have already analyzed the market, and they've picked an entry point, and they know if this goes beyond this entry point, it's a bad retracement. So I might have for example, I have 180 pieces of TRX. 180 pieces of TRX. Okay, 180 pieces of TRX. So I go ahead to I want to sell this TRX at exactly, I bought it at this particular price, 0.06261. I bought it at 0.06261, but I intend to sell it at 0.068. Yeah, I intend to sell it at $0.068. So this is what I intend to sell it at. All right, but in the same way, no one knows what the market could bring for us tomorrow, the next minute, the next hour, the next moment, the next 4 hours. You don't know what the market could be. The market is always uncertain, and that's the actual situation of the market. So firstly, I will set something akin with this and the stop limit order. You see the stop limit, you see the limit, you see the amount here. So I'm going to fill my limit, which is the first type of if statement. Okay, the first type of if is the limit here, up here, the limit up here. The first limit is the first type of if statement. Then the second if statement is the stop limit. All right, so I'm going to say, okay, I want to sell this at $0.068, but the market could go against my plan, and therefore maybe go as low as I bought at 0.06262, and the market will go as low as 0.061. You understand? Market will go as low as 0.0621. Or okay, let's take it a little higher, and 626. Okay, go as low as 0.061. Is all right. So you see, when maybe you have spotted a place on the chart, on your chart, the chart looks like this. You have spotted a place on the chart and said, oh, if this price reaches somewhere in this chart, that means this would imply a very, 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 very bad reversal, and it will cause you potential losses, big time losses. You understand? So you just have to secure your losses. It's kind of stop loss mechanism, a kind of stop loss mechanism. You have to secure your losses. So you say, once if this price should retrace to 0.0661, I have to sell all my TRX for 0.061. You understand? My 180 TRX for 0.061. I have to send it for that. What does that mean? Instead of incurring a lot of losses if this price retraces very, very, very below 0.061, maybe the price retraces around 0.057. Instead of incurring all these losses all the way down, you have cut your losses to just be 0.061, and it won't affect your losses that much. Why? Because the fallback or the retracement from what you bought it is not that much. So the kind of stop losses, I want to stop my losses using this one complete the order method, the OCO method. I'm using this to minimize my losses, to minimize my risk in the market. You understand? So this OCO prevents you from incurring more losses on a trade if the market goes against your plan. You understand? So that is the essence of this one completes the order method on the spot market, and it's actually easy. It's actually simple to understand. So take it back to limit. So actually, there's nothing complicated about the spot market. The spot market is just is the simplest form of market, because it's just a normal buy and a normal sell, unlike the futures market where you have to long and short using a leverage. You have to use your leverage. You have to minimize risk and all that, setting your positions, entries, that's so many other complex things about the futures market. But actually this is the spot market, and I've showed you I've directed you on how to use the different type of order. You can see the limits, the market, the stop limits, and the OCO. So I hope with this video I have put out here that you could actually use or access the Binance spot market without any hassle free. All right, this is what I actually do. I am always here to help. So if you have any comments or questions or any difficulties or things you didn't understand, just drop it down in the comments. I will look through it, and I will make sure I improve on that. All right, once more, my name is Tobena, and actually this is my YouTube channel. If you find the things I drop here helpful, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, I'm always here to help, and then see you next time.